Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy the Truth GPT, also known as the Truth coin or the Truth token, on your Trust wallets. As it says here, you're going to have to do your own research concerning this. The creator of this token can easily disable, mint, transfer, all that stuff. So please do your own research before you buy this token, as it says here in the notice. So we're simply going to be scrolling down. That's to the bottom of the screen where we have it about, where we are going to be copying its contract address or getting its contract address from. As you can see, it's mostly built on the Ethereum network. So we're going to be opening up Etherscan. The site we were just on is coinmarketcap.com. The link would be in the description of the video. So you simply come here, copy its contract address, minimize, open up your Trust wallet. Please make sure you have Ethereum, else the transaction won't go through. It's built on the Ethereum blockchain, so you must possess Ethereum. Our next step is going to be opening up the browser, which is at the bottom of the screen right here. Click on browser, click on uniswap.exchange, and give it some time to load in. Once it's loaded in, you can use this icon at the top right corner of the screen. By clicking it, you're going to have the opportunity or the option to connect or disconnect your wallet by clicking on this power icon right here. Once that's done, you simply click on D2T or whatever token is there and paste the contract address we just copied, which belongs to the Truth coin, Truth GPT. Click on I understand, and boom, we've got some Truth on our Uniswap. So once Uniswap is opened up, you're simply going to input the amount here. As you can see here, you can input the amount of Ethereum you wish to swap for the Truth. And with that, we now have 45,000 of the Truth. You simply click on swap, which would be in the place of insufficient Ethereum balance. And once you've clicked on swap, click on confirm swap, and that's all. Do comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can go about this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.